Welcome back to Maths Plus. Continuing on the 2021 Higher Level Leaving Cert Paper 2, Question 9. This is the final part of Question 9b, Part 4 and 5. Here we have the output here, 110. Set that equal to the function. Let's see how we'll simplify this and solve for t. The 110 and the 110 will cancel out, divide both sides by 110, divide across by 1 over root 2. At this stage now we can apply the sine inverse of both sides. Look up your log tables. This is very important as it can keep the result simple. We can see in the log tables we'll get pi over 4 from our page 13 trigonometric table. Set that equal to 120 pi t, and then we can get a final result of time is equal to 1 over 180 seconds. Let's go on to part 5. In part 5 we're getting the rate of change of the function at the time is equal to 2 seconds. Whenever you see a rate of change in this course, it's going to be differentiation. If we look at the function, we need to apply the chain rule. This is because we have an external function here, and also we have an internal function here as well, okay, which is 120 pi t, which is a linear function. Let's apply the chain rule and let's look at the results. So we have the 120 pi t. The rate of change of that function is 120 pi. Multiply it on. Change the sign to cos, and that will be the trigonometric function. All we need to do now is substitute in our time. Substitute in t is equal to 2. The 120 becomes 240. Again, keep your calculator in radians, otherwise replace pi with 180 if your calculator is set in degrees. Our final result is 58,646. This will be in a rate, and it's in volts per second. Thank you for joining Maths Plus.